Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I deep wave my hair. So first I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair into two halves and then putting that one up with a hair tie. And then I'm going to section that half into another half, as you can see that I'm doing right here. And just put that up with another hair tie. Next I'm going to comb out that section. It's about a 1.5 inch section. I'm going to take my deep waver and I'm going to hold it there for about 10 seconds. So you can see that when I move the deep waver down, I'm placing it right where the last wave stops at, if that makes sense. So again, I'm taking a 1.5 inch section, combing through it, and then placing my deep waver and holding it for about 7 to 10 seconds. And right where the last wave is, I move it down to where the next one starts or ends, if that makes sense. It's kind of hard to explain. Just see what I'm doing in the video. So here you just see me pulling out any pieces that I feel like need to be waved again, and I'm just going to place my deep waver right there. And after I finish the section, I'm just spraying it lightly with some hairspray and moving on to the next section. Again, you just see me combing through the section, making sure there's no tangles, and I'm taking my deep waver and holding it for about 7 seconds. 7 to 10 seconds. Then right where the last wave ends, that's where I start a new one at. When I move the deep waver down, as you can see, it makes little dents in my hair, and that's how the wave is formed. And again, after each section, I just spray it lightly with some hairspray. And as I get closer to the top, I start taking thinner sections. That way the waves can be way more defined than what they are on the bottom. So here you can see me just sectioning off my hair and clipping it back with a clip. And then I'm going to take my brush and brush through that section, making sure there's no tangles. It's a super repetitive process, and it's really easy as soon as you get the hang of it. So as you can see, I'm just de-waving my hair, and the pieces closer to my face, I hold the deep waver there for about 15 seconds just so the wave is way more defined and it stays a lot longer and it doesn't drop throughout the day or anything. And again, I just spray some more hairspray to make sure the wave is locked in there. And the pieces that fall in my face and like around my face, I don't do those any differently. Like I said before, I just hold the deep waver there for about 15 seconds versus 10 seconds to make sure my wave is as perfect as it possibly can get. Ooh, we're almost finished. So here I'm just finishing the last piece in my face in my bang area, and then I'm just going through making sure there's no pieces that I missed, but you see that I want to fix that piece right there, so I'm just going to deep wave the top of it. Okay, so now that we're done our last piece, I'm just going to spray my whole entire head one last time with some more hairspray. Now I'm just going to take my rat tail comb and lightly comb through it just so some of the pieces will stick together. And we're finished. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mwah.